What happened? It's a 10-pound bell. Get it, Bo.
Bring it here. Get the bell. Get the bell. You silly dog. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get the bell. Go get the bell. Get the bell.
He is walking away with a 10-pound bell in his mouth.
Look out, Rosie. Look out, Rosie.
You are so strong. You're the kettlebellar. Woohoo!
Good boy.